In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel ElevenLabs subscription 2025. Let's walk through a simple, reliable way to find the most up-to-date cancellation instructions right from the source. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. Using Google ensures you land on the official resources and not an outdated third-party guide. In the search box, type ElevenLabs and look for the official website in the results. Click through to the official ElevenLabs site so you're in the right place. Once you're on the site, sign in if you aren't already. You'll want to be logged into the account that holds the subscription you plan to cancel. On the app interface, look toward the lower left corner for the profile area. Click the profile icon to open the account menu. This menu is your gateway to documentation and support, which is exactly what we need for the most current cancellation steps. From the profile menu, choose Docs and Resources. This takes you to a centralized page with links to guides and support. Next, click on Help Center. The Help Center is where ElevenLabs maintains accurate, current instructions, including plan-specific details, billing timelines, and policy information that may change over time. Inside the Help Center, use the search bar and type the word Cancel. This narrows the results to everything related to cancellations. In the results, click the article titled, How Do I Cancel My Subscription? This is the official guide. It typically outlines where the cancellation button lives in your account, how cancellation affects your current billing cycle, and what happens to any remaining credits or projects. Take a moment to scan the results carefully. Look for notes about whether cancellation is immediate or takes effect at the end of your billing period, and whether annual versus monthly plans behave differently. Check for details about refunds or prorations, as providers often specify that cancellations stop future charges but do not refund the current period. If you subscribe through a third-party app store, the article usually points you to that store's cancellation process. Also note any steps about data retention, such as what happens to your voices or projects after the plan ends, and how to resubscribe if you need to come back later. Before you finish, make sure you're reviewing the instructions that match your plan and region and confirm you're logged into the correct account. Following the Help Center article from start to finish will guide you through the actual cancellation flow inside your account with the most accurate, up-to-date steps.